Welcome to Virat HD YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you about the cause of fire and measures to prevent it. In the next videos, I will show you elements needed to create a fire, fire classes, fire extinguishing techniques, and fire extinguishing equipment. First of all, what is fire? Fire is exothermic chemical reaction of the fuel to release heat, light, and other reaction products. There are different causes of fire. The main causes of fire at workplace includes 1. Electrical problems. Electrical problems are among the leading causes of workplace fires. These factors can occur in any industry and cause significant damage. The following are some common electrical problems that can cause fires in the workplace. These include overloading outlets and sockets, using damaged or frayed lines, misusing extension cords, having outdated electrical systems, etc. 2. Smoking materials. Misuse and improper disposal of cigarettes and other smoking materials are major causes of fire. 3. Human error. Human error is often the cause of workplace fires. Some common human errors that can cause fires are not monitoring cooking or heating equipment, improperly storing flammable materials, not taking safety training, etc. 4. Flammable particles. Flammable dusts are a major cause of fire in certain industries, particularly grain processing and textile industries. Dust can accumulate on surfaces and equipment and ignite. 5. Intentional burning. Fires started intentionally by employees or outsiders can cause serious damage to the workplace. This puts the safety of staff and visitors at risk. While it can be challenging to prevent this type of fire, implementing certain safety measures can help prevent fires. 6. Heating equipment. Heating appliances are another common cause of fire in the workplace, especially during the colder months. It is important to maintain and use these devices properly to reduce the risk of fire. 7. Poor housekeeping. Poor housekeeping is a major contributor to workplace fires. Accumulations of clutter, trash, and debris can block emergency exits, create fire hazards, and impede workers from evacuating the building quickly in an emergency. 8. Mechanical friction. Mechanical friction can cause a fire by generating heat. Overheated machinery, tools, and equipment may ignite fire on flammable materials, liquids, or dust in the area. 9. Combustible materials. Flammable materials, liquids, and gases pose a significant fire hazard if not stored and handled properly. These substances are flammable and can spread rapidly and cause fires and explosions. 10. Negligence. Negligence is a contributing factor to workplace fires, especially when workers fail to follow safety protocols or report potential hazards. For example, smoking in restricted areas, overloading power lines, or improper handling of flammable liquids can create fire hazards. 11. Natural hazard. Although people frequently associate human activities with fire, natural calamities like lightning strikes can sometimes result in workplace fires. Make sure you have a strategy in place in case of a fire if your place of business is situated in a region vulnerable to natural catastrophes. How to prevent fire at workplace. The main measures to prevent fire in the workplace, aiming to create a safer work environment and raise awareness about fire safety. It emphasizes the importance of educating occupants and adhering to safety regulations to ensure smooth operation. 1. Proper disposal of hazardous substances. Any hazardous trash should be disposed of in a covered metal container. Waste that is considered hazardous might range from chemicals to oils. To reduce the risk of fire, even flammable and combustible things should be disposed of properly. 2. Regular maintenance. To ensure that all of your fire safety equipment is up to code, schedule routine maintenance services. It's also a good idea to keep any machinery in your building well maintained to avoid overheating or friction-related sparks. 3. Safe storage. Make sure that any chemicals, combustible materials, or other hazardous materials that are present in your working area are kept in a secure location. Ensure they are in a well-ventilated, dry, and safe closet or room. In case of emergency, it's also a good idea to have flammable material fire safety equipment next to the storage location. 4. Tidy working environment. One of the main causes is that a fire spreads more quickly in an area with a lot of garbage, especially flammable items like paper, cartons, etc. Additionally, the clutter may obstruct exits, making it more difficult to flee in the event of a fire. Thus, be sure to maintain a clutter-free and tidy inside to your building. 5. Precautionary measures. Demonstrations of fire safety can make a big difference in the work area safety. Along with other fire safety equipment, make sure to instruct building occupants on how to use a fire extinguisher and respond to a fire. If a fire does break out in your building, this can assist stop it from spreading. 6. Dedicated smoking area. A specific smoking area that is kept a safe distance from the structure ought to exist. Additionally, make sure that people have access to ashtrays or other secure solutions so they may properly extinguish and discard their cigarettes. By doing this, you can lessen the chance that cigarettes will accidentally start a fire in your building. 7. Improving security. One of the main reasons buildings and other structures catch fire is arson. For this reason, making investments in building security is crucial. Residents of buildings should be aware of the need to lock up after themselves and know who to report suspicious activity or persons if they notice something strange. 8. Make equipment accessible. Ensure that all of your fire safety supplies, such as control panels and fire extinguishers, are conveniently located. Additionally, avoid obstructing the fire alarms or sprinklers with anything, including paint, dust, or anything. You don't want to interfere with your equipment's ability to function. 9. Emergency plan. In the event of a fire, emergency and evacuation plans are crucial to limiting damage and other problems. It is crucial that someone knows what to do, how to quickly locate the building address, and what to do next in case they need to call for assistance. Even once a fire has begun, prevention is crucial because it can lessen the likelihood that it will spread and cause additional damage. 10. Follow health and safety guidelines. In order to assist businesses in better preventing workplace fires, safety standards and laws have been put in place. To stay up to date and safe, you should make sure you fulfill all of their safety standards. 11. Installing lightning arrestor. A lightning arrestor is a device used to protect buildings, power lines, electrical equipment, and structures from the voltage surges caused by lightning strikes. They are installed at the top of the structures to create a passage for the surge voltage from lightning to flow into the earth. 12. Fire safety training. In addition to being mandated by law, raising awareness of fire safety can help prevent injuries and save lives by reducing the likelihood of a fire. Ensure that all of your employees have undergone training on safe work practices. Thank you for watching.